So here's basically what's going on with the whole situation with China and the threat to delist their stocks from the US exchanges. See, if you're a foreign country and you want one of your stocks to be traded on the US markets, that's totally fine, no big deal. You just have to comply with our laws. But China, they don't really like doing that. In fact, they say they have secret laws that prohibit them from sharing their data with us. But I'm not so sure I believe that. So essentially, all we're saying to them now, too many TikToks, my voice. All we're saying to them now is, if you want to continue to be listed on our markets, you have to let our auditors come in and examine your financial reports. If not, you're delisted. But you've got 3 years to comply. So for everyone who's freaking out about their stock is going to get delisted, oh no, hold on. Some companies, some riskier penny stocks might say, fuck it, I don't want them seeing our records, let's just delist. Whereas others will say, we've got nothing to hide. Take a look. Stocks get delisted all the time. One of the biggest reasons is failing to meet the price requirements to stay on certain exchanges. So if your stock drops below $1 and then within a set period of time can't get back up over $1, you're done, son, delisted. But it doesn't mean that you can't still buy and sell those stocks or have access to your funds if you're in one of those stocks. The stock just gets removed from one index and moved over to something called the over-the-counter markets or the pink sheets. And that's usually something that's for the penny stocks. Now you might find that you have difficulty finding buyers because there's a smaller buying pool, but that usually happens to the garbage penny stocks that nobody really wants in the first place. Of course, this sort of news will drive the stock price down because delisting, oh no, that sounds scary. I imagine a lot of these serious companies like Alibaba and Baidu will adhere to these policies. Why? Because they like the clout that comes with being listed on an American stock exchange.